Hi, I'm Jake with LaGrange County REMC, and today we're going to talk about a simple maintenance project you can do that's going to help increase the efficiency of your bath fan, which means that the motors aren't going to run as hard and potentially protect your home so you're not going to have any kind of a house fire. Today we're going to clean a bath fan, and before we get started with it, I want to make sure that we can get an initial reading on the bath fan to see how many CFM that it's currently drawing. We're going to clean the bath fan. As you can see right up here, this one's a great model. It's exactly what we're looking for, something that's really dirty. And then once everything's cleaned and put back together, we'll do another reading to see if it increased the efficiency. Alright, so what we're going to do is take a manometer with a pressure pan, turn the vent fan on. We're going to get a fan reading. As you can see on the manometer, it's showing on the left side somewhere right around 3 to 3.1, 3.2. And that's pascals of pressure. And what that equates to, if you look over here on the pressure pan, we're in an E2 setting. So a 3.1 or a 3.2, 3.0 on an E2 setting puts us right around that 35, 36, 37 CFM. These fans are rated for 55 CFM, which means they're not drawing the amount of airflow they really should. So the next step is we're going to take this thing apart, get it cleaned up, and then see if it's more efficient after everything's all said and done. that was the process. A little bit lengthy on this one. Being on a dirt road, there's a lot more dust that gets stirred up. And anytime these vent fans are running, they're pulling that dust in and running it through the fan housing. But the housing is much cleaner. It should have much better airflow. We're going to test it right now with our flow hood to see if that matches up and what kind of, hopefully some more CFM gets pulled out like it's supposed to. So let's see what we've got. If you can look, looking at 5.4 pascals. So if we pull up 5.4 pascals, that's actually a higher reading than we can get here. So we have to adjust this to an E1 plate. We're going to measure it again with an E1. We're showing about 1.3 to 1.6, kind of dancing around there a little bit. So on an E1, at about a 1.6, we're showing 55 CFM, which is what this fan is rated for. So now we've improved the efficiency by 20 CFM. The fan's going to pull like it's supposed to. And we've also removed all that lint from around the fan motor itself. That fan motor requires that airflow to help keep it cool. So if it can't breathe, it gets hot and it burns the motors up. So this just extended the life of the vent fan, and it's going to move more humidity out of the bathroom as they take showers and baths. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions on what to do for home maintenance, including bath fans, furnaces, that kind of stuff, don't hesitate to give us a call at 1-877-463-7165, and we'll be sure to try to get you some information that will help you get along your way. Thanks for watching.